Hi everyone, it's Mrs. HB. Welcome to today's Mindful Monday. Today I'm coming to you from Mrs. Reardon, one of our kindergarten teachers, her classroom. And I'll let you know why in just a moment. It's the month of February, which means we have a new theme for our Mindful Mondays. This month, we are going to focus on learning about the Rosy Mound Safe Space. So, what is a safe space? Sometimes during our school day, we might find that we're experiencing some big feelings or big emotions. Maybe there'll be sometimes where we're feeling sad or frustrated or upset or really tired, and we need some time to be able to identify how we're feeling, calm our bodies, and then make a plan so we are ready to learn again. I'm here in Mrs. Reardon's classroom because she has a safe space set up in her classroom where students can do just that. You can see over here in this corner, she has a chair and she has some other items and some signs on her wall that let students know if they need some time to calm their bodies, to figure out how they're feeling, and to make a plan so they can get back to their school day and all the wonderful things we do here at Rosy Mound. They have a space where they can do that. So this month, your teachers are going to be making safe spaces in all their rooms, and we're going to be working together. So each room, there's some common things. So whether you're in Mrs. Reardon's room, or you're in Mrs. Lampin's room, or you're in Mrs. Ambrose's room, in each of those rooms, there's a space for every student if they need to take some time to reset, to calm, and to figure out what can I do so I can be ready to learn again. So we are going to journey on this together in the month of February. Stay tuned because we're going to be relaunching these safe spaces in each of our classroom, and it's going to be a great tool and place that we can learn and grow together. Thanks so much for joining me today, and remember everybody, stay rosy.